Financial markets have awoken this morning to a decisive Macron victory in the recent French elections. We saw the euro touch a 6-month high in early Asian trading at 1.10 levels, but ever since then it's pared some of its gains, and this is largely because of an unwinding of the long positions in the lead up to the expected Macron victory. Overall, we're expecting resistance to come into the euro USD at 1.1030. This will be followed by 1.1070 in trading today and tomorrow. The French election was preceded by the US non-farm payroll report on Friday, which showed a strong rebound in the April numbers. Remember, we had a weaker than expected reading in March, but the numbers really bounced back this April. Data showed that 211,000 new jobs were added. This was well above the expected 185,000 new jobs. And overall, the unemployment rate dropped to 4.4%, a more than 1 decade low for that reading. So the data was much stronger than expected. We also saw a bounce back in the average hourly earnings, which came up to 0.3% in April. This was up from 0.1% in March. So overall, very good figures from the US. Unfortunately, we didn't see much of that filtering into the US dollar. The US dollar index still remained under pressure, and we expect that momentum to continue in trading this week. If we look at some levels in trading today, we have a very light economic calendar. We expect a little bit of the gains in the euro to keep it slightly under pressure. Again, 1.1030 is the next target we're looking at for euro USD. If you look at the British pound against the US dollar, we're expecting continued consolidation in the channel between 1.2950 and 1.30 in the British pound. Gold looks like it seems to have stemmed some of its losses. We expect the precious metal to range between 1222 and 1236 in trading today and tomorrow. And finally, if we look at crude looks to have very stiff resistance at 47 levels in trading today. Over the weekend, we had the Iranian oil minister basically back the OPEC meeting coming up at the end of May, on May 25th, and he said that Iran would be going and supporting whatever OPEC decides to do, whether they look to extend their cuts past June when they reconvene in May. But overall, we expect largely range-bound trading amidst a weak economic calendar. We will expect to see some volatility come on Thursday with the release of the EU monetary policy statement.